In this video, we have to discuss about how to find length of a given circular arc. So how to find length of a given circular arc. Now see the figure, refer the figure. So in this figure, AB is the given circular arc. AB is the given circular arc. So L is length of the arc. So in this figure, L is length of the arc. L is length of the arc. So in this figure, R means radius of the arc. Radius of the given circular arc. Given circular arc. Then after, in this figure, what is the meaning of theta? What is the meaning of theta? So theta means the angle subtended by the arc. The angle subtended by the arc at the center. Okay. So in this figure, AB is the given circular arc. L is the length of the circular arc. R is the radius of the circular arc. Theta. So theta means the angle subtended by the arc at the center. So theta means angle subtended by the arc at the center. By the arc at the center. Okay. So how to find length of the arc? So what is the formula we have to follow? So how to find length of the circular arc? So how to find length of circular arc? The formula is radius into the angle subtended by the arc. The angle subtended by the arc. Now this is a formula to find length of the arc. So how to find length of the arc? Radius into angle subtended by the arc. Now see the figure. In the figure, L is length of the arc. So length of the arc is L. So L equal to, what is the radius of the arc? That is R. Radius of the arc. So radius is equal to R. And what is the angle subtended by the arc? The angle is theta. So the angle subtended is theta. Now this is the equation we have to follow to find length of the arc. This is the equation we have to follow to find length of the arc. But one condition. The condition is this theta should be in radians. The condition is, so in this equation, theta should be in radians. Theta should be in radians. That means we have to write theta in terms of pi. Theta we have to write in terms of pi. So therefore, so this is the equation we have to follow to find length of the arc. So in this equation, L means length of the arc, R means radius of the arc, theta means angle subtended by the arc at the center. But what is the condition we have to follow? In this equation, theta always we have to express in radians. This theta always we have to express in radians. Radians means we have to write in terms of pi. Okay. Now see one example. So for example, here in the question, AB is the given circular arc. AB is the given circular arc. O is the center. So in the question, radius is given 3 meters. In this question, radius is given 3 meters. Okay. So in this figure, radius is given 3 meters. Then after, theta is given 60 degrees. So angle theta is given in 60 degrees. But I told you already, theta always we have to express in radians. This theta always we have to express in radians. So 60 degrees is equal to, so pi by 3 radians. Okay. So theta always we have to express in radians. So 60 degrees is given, but we have to convert into radians. So 60 degrees equal to pi by 3 radians. So we have to find length of the arc. So we know the equation already. So how to find length of the arc? The formula is r theta. So what is radius is given 3 meter radians. Okay, radius is given 3 meter. And what is the theta value is given pi by 3. Theta value is given pi by 3. Therefore, here 3 cancel out. So finally, length of the arc L equal to pi in meters. Okay, so radius is given in meters. So length of the arc also we get in meters. So 3 cancels. So it is pi. So length is equal to pi meters. Okay. So see the next example. So how to find length of the arc? Now see second example. In second example, it is the given circular arc. It is the given circular arc AB. So AB is a given circular arc. Radius is given 3 centimeter. Then after, in the question, length of the arc is given pi centimeter. So we have to find theta value. So what is the formula we have already? Length of the arc is equal to r theta. So in the question, length of the arc is given pi centimeter. Radius of the arc is given 3 centimeter into theta. Therefore, theta equal to, we get pi by 3. Theta equal to pi by 3 radians, or pi by 3 radians means 60 degrees. So this is the final answer. So you see the figure. So in the figure, radius is given 3 centimeter. Length of the arc is given pi centimeter. We have to find the theta. So what is the equation we have? L equal to r theta. Length is given pi centimeter. Radius is given 3 centimeter into theta. Therefore, theta equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 radians, or so theta equal to 60 degrees. So this is the process we have to follow to find length of the arc.